Exploring low-code solutions for businesses. Low-code solutions are platforms that enable users to create applications with minimal hand coding, using visual development interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality. Why choose low-code solutions for your business? Efficiency. Low-code platforms allow for rapid development, enabling businesses to bring applications to market faster than traditional coding methods. Cost-effective. With low-code solutions, businesses can save time and money on development costs, as less coding expertise is required. Innovation. By enabling rapid development and customization, low-code solutions drive innovation within businesses and promote digital transformation. The benefits of low-code solutions. Streamlined processes. Low-code platforms simplify the development process, allowing businesses to automate workflows and improve efficiency. Productivity. With low-code solutions, businesses can develop applications quickly and easily, saving time and resources. How to get started with low-code solutions? Choose a platform. Select a low-code development platform that aligns with your business needs and goals. Iterate and improve. Continuously iterate on your applications, making improvements and modifications as needed. Conclusion. In conclusion, low-code solutions have revolutionized the way businesses approach software development, offering a faster, more efficient, and cost-effective alternative to traditional coding methods.